How to change your username on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to change your username on Discord. So here, you want to first of all open your Discord app and log in. Also make sure you're connected to a stable internet and that your app is updated to the latest version. Now then, to begin with, you simply want to click on this message icon at the top of the page, at the top left corner of the screen, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the profile from the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you want to click on the gear icon. As you do it, so click on accounts, and there you have username right under account name. So this is my username. So what you want to do is, if you want to change it, so you just want to go and erase the present and then type in a new one that is acceptable and that is available. So this seems to be available, so click on the save button. Now to verify, you have to go ahead and type in your password, and once done, click on the done button underneath, and here you go, your username has been changed. And this is how you should be able to change your username on Discord. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.